So I'm trying to update prices only for uh, some products on my site. They're variable products. Um, Click here, obviously it changes the price depending on which door style is picked for this cabinet. I've uploaded the file here and I've set it up as follows. I'm record matching the post ID, which is this, and I've double checked it, and these IDs match. For instance, 348 is the product, and then 505 is where the variations start for this one. Um, so these are correct, and there's quite a few records in here that need to be updated. So that has been dragged down into here for the post ID. And then set these custom fields to update. And nothing else is that different in the settings here. And then if I go to edit import, the only thing I'm going to switch back is because I've been experimenting trying to get it to work, I switched to the variable product and it didn't actually do anything, or didn't actually work either. So let me update that and I'll come back in here. So according to the instructionals, this doesn't matter, but I just put that in there. Under the WooCommerce, the regular price is where I've dragged the price into to update. I did this updated prices in August, and it worked back then. It updated all 5,724. But right now, when I do it, I will run a test quickly. It only tends to, or seems to, do the following. You'll see it's doing only like 2, 3, 4 updated. And it's already skipped through a number of them. Just for example, this is my file here that I was working with. So 348, for example, was the main product, and then 505 down to 521 were all the variations. And I'm using this column right here. This is the old price, so I'm using this column. And so it seems to be updating this, then skipping down to this one. Only the I guess the container product or whatever you would call it, and then it skips all the variations and then goes right to the next container product. Like that's all it seems to be doing. Like I said, I did this back in August and it worked, and I didn't really change any of the settings from what you saw there, and according to the instructionals online. And like I said, it worked in August, updated all 5,024. In fact, I will leave that page and go back to show the history. If I go to history logs, okay, it's not showing. Yeah, it's showing the ones just from today. But in an older one, it did work. I wish I could show it, but it did work back in August because I have a file that's uploaded there from that time. But it did upload all those, update all those prices. So just wondering what you can see that in terms of settings that could be corrected or updated, unless settings, the way its settings have changed in plugin updates or something. I'm not sure. So any advice is welcomed. Thank you.